All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a really nice original 67 Pontiac Firebird. And it's a 404 speed. So that was the good one. The 404 speed with the hood tack, positive traction rear differential. This was like getting a super sport Camaro. But for some reason, I mean, these are priced a little better than the Camaros. Just haven't meet the mark. But Pontiacs were a better car and more deluxe stuff. So this one just drives like brand new. It's got a fresh rebuilt 400. It's got less than 1,000 miles, just break-in miles on it. It's got some newer suspension components, new tires. We have the original 14-inch steel wheels for it, but now it's got the date-correct 15-inch PMD rallies. Make sure I don't get T-boned over here. But it runs so good. Previous owner had intention to restore the car and basically got about halfway through it. So engine's done, new clutch, went through the rear end, new tires. The interior's mostly original in great shape. It's got a tilt steering column. It's got a comfort grip wheel. This is probably one of my favorite steering wheels. I use them on the Camaros, Chevelles. It's got an original looking radio that the guts are taken out of, and it's used, you can use a Bluetooth. Kind of cool. But the dash is in great shape, all the gauges are in great shape. It's got an expensive exhaust system on it that's correct, and that's why it kind of sounds quiet. It's kind of interesting. I'm used to driving cars that are all raspy and meaty. I mean, this thing could sound pretty sick with some Flowmasters on it, but it is nice to have it quiet. This is the way it was when it was brand new, and that's what the previous owner was going for. But finished in Mayfair Maize. Yeah, it's one respray that wasn't that great years ago. I guess the paint is probably the weakest point on this car, but very worthy of a nice new paint job if you wanted to make it perfect. Or just drive it the way it is. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with our 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400 4-speed. Nice little two-door hardtop. First year of the Firebird. Pretty iconic car, especially with the big motor and a 4-speed. It's got a Muncie 4-speed. It's got factory power steering and dual reservoir drum brakes. It actually stops pretty good. A lot of the 4-speed cars didn't have disc brakes or power brakes yet because you downshift, you know? That's how it was. It's got the original black plates. The previous owner got it from the original owners a few years ago. His intent was to restore the car, and things change in your life, so couldn't complete it. But he did the mechanical stuff already. Engine's fresh rebuilt. Nowadays, that's pretty expensive to do, and it's the matching number engine. This car has PHS documentation to prove what it is, and that all the mechanical things are original on the car. Factory hood tack. I think they added a tilt steering column, but that's always nice to have with the comfort grip wheel. I do have the original steering wheel for it. I also have the original steel wheels with hubcaps. Look at that, it's got 4 of the T3 original headlights, or at least original style. But wheels are in great shape. They're actually date coded to the car. So like if you decided to judge this car someday or show it, it's acceptable. The glass is in nice shape. It's got dual mirrors, buckets console, factory clock. It doesn't work, but a lot of people get those fixed or convert them to quartz. But everything else in here is really nice. It's got the deluxe door panels. It's even got some Pontiac rubber floor mats. The rest of the interior is in great shape, even the headliner. Very nice. Just a great looking car. Correct dual exhaust. Documentation. Got the Protecto plate for this one. Just needs a little help with the paint. Looks good in pictures, but it's got a few spots here and there that need attention if you want it to be a show car. Here's the power plant in the 67 400 Firebird. Again, that's the matching number engine. Was just completely rebuilt. Just got break-in mileage only. New hoses, new belts. It's got the dual reservoir drum brakes on there. Still has exhaust manifolds with dual exhaust, the correct dual exhaust going all the way back. Really clean under the hood, nicely detailed. Original air cleaner. Some of them came with some chrome goodies on there, so that's nice. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice and quiet. Nice original. These were rated at 325 horsepower. It's bored 30 over probably, so you might have a little bit more power. It feels great though. Along with these nice BF Goodrich G8 radials, it rides good. Exhaust sounds good. Just the way it's supposed to be. You know, like I said earlier, a couple little paint things here. You see it's checking on the deck lid. A little scratch on one of the doors. But you know what? I drive it the way it is. Somebody's gonna nick you anyway, somewhere. Anyway, you wanna see this one in person? Come on out to California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Be happy to show you the car. Or if you want a shipping quote, or you need some financing, or you got a decent trade-in that you might wanna do something with, just let us know. All right, thanks for watching.